Assalamu alaikum ورحمة الله وبركاته. And this is our 8th lesson. As you can see, the name is Leen letters. So wow and ya, wow and ya are called Leen letters. We in 7th lesson we discussed that alif, wow and ya are madda letters, but wow will be madda when wow with sukoon will come after dhamma. If wow with sukoon will come after fatha, it will be leen. And when ya with sukoon is called ya sakin. When ya sakin will come after kasra, it will be madda letters, but when it will come after fatha, it will be called leen letters. So the difference between leen letter and madda letter is whenever the madda letter comes, we stretch the sound, we prolong it, we stretch the sound for 2 seconds. But whenever the leen letter comes, like wow comes after fatha or ya sakin comes after fatha, we do not stretch the sound and we do not shake it, we read it normally, like ta fatha ta, ta fatha ta. And we learned in previous lesson that wow with sukoon we will add u sound, and ya with sukoon we will add e sound, and we will keep that in our mind. And that sound you can see ta fatha ta, and wow with sukoon we will add u sound, so it will be tau, tau. Okay, ta wow fatha tau, ta ya fatha tai, tau tai. We will not shake it like tai tai or tau, not like that. We just read it normal sound. We will not make it long, we will not shake it. So that is called leen letters. If we will stretch it, it will become madda letters. So madda, wow will be madda when after dhamma wow with sukoon comes, and ya will be madda when after kasra ya with sukoon comes. So ta wow fatha tau, ta ya fatha tai, tau tai. Next, tha wow fatha thau, tha ya fatha thai, thau thai. For wow with sukoon we will keep the same sound, u sound. Ya with sukoon we will keep e sound, thau thai. Okay, so ra fatha is called ra because of wow with sukoon we will add u sound, rau. Ra ya fatha rai, rau rai. Okay, za wow fatha zau, za ya fatha zai, zau zai. Next, sad with fatha will be called sa, and wow with sukoon we will add u sound, saw. Sad fatha sa because of ya with sukoon e sound, soy, saw soy, bold sound. Next, zal, very soft z sound, zal wow fatha thou. Whenever the sakin letter comes, it is called as sukoon sign, or in English we call it connecting sign, voi. We will read 2 letters together always. Whenever a letter comes with sukoon on it, we will connect it with the previous letter, which will come with any sign on it, like this one. Zal will be connected, wow will be connected with zal, thou zai. Okay, next, noon wow fatha nau, noon ya fatha nai, nau nai. Alif or hamza is the same. For hamza fatha a, with wow hamza wow fatha au, Hamza ya fatha ay, aw, ay. Okay. Next, Seen with the whistling sound. Seen, waw, fatha, saw. Seen, ya, fatha, say. Saw, say. We will not stretch it, we will not shake on it. Next, ha, waw, fatha, haw. Ha, ya, fatha, hay. Haw, hay. Fa, waw, fatha, faw. Fa, ya, fatha, fay. Faw, fay. Next, ayn. Ayn, waw, fatha, aw. Ayn, ya, fatha, ay. Aw, ay. So a with a line underneath will show the ayn sound instead of hamza sound. Next, ghayn, waw, fatha, ghaw. Ghayn, ya, fatha, ghay. Ghaw, ghay. Next, za, waw, fatha, zaw. Za, ya, fatha, zay. Zaw, zay. Lam, waw, fatha, law. Lam, ya, fatha, lay. Law, lay. Basically it will come with law, lay. Qaf, waw, fatha, qaw. Qaf, ya, fatha, qay. Qaw, qay. Waw, waw, fatha, waw. Waw, ya, fatha, way. Waw, way. Ha, waw, fatha, haw. Ha, ya, fatha, hay. Haw, hay. Ya, waw, fatha, yaw. Ya, fatha, yay. Yaw, yay. Basically this exercise is very easy. We will practice the same pattern, will go through end, like all the missing letters with like bod, fa, kaf. So many letters are missing, but the pattern is same. I hope you will get it. We just remember for madda letters, alif, waw and ya. So alif will come after fatha, waw with sukoon will come after dhamma, and ya with sukoon will come after kasra. So this one will be called madda. And for Leen letters, waw and ya with sukoon will comes after fatha. Both letters will come after fatha, so it will be madda, but the sound we will add the same. For waw we will add u sound, for ya we will add e sound, for alif we will add a sound, u sound and e sound for ya with sukoon. Okay, so you can see like qaf, fatha, qa. This is the basic sound, qaf with fatha. Because of waw we are going to add u sound, it will become qaw. Qaf, fatha, qa. Because of ya we will add e sound, it will become qay. So you just remember this. Because of alif we will add a, waw we will add u sound, because of ya we will add e sound. So inshallah in next exercise we are going to practice the words related to madda letters and words related to Leen letters. So that's it for today. Inshallah I'll see you in next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.